Clear for takeoff, runway 33, that's Sky 01. Yeah, that's clearance received. Takeoff. Manflex 66, SRS, runway, auto thrust blue, thrust set. knots. Stop. Spoilers, reverse green, decel. Master warning, engine 1 fire. Vasco 01 stopping, request fire services. Parking brake set. Attention crew at stations. Why did we stop? We had an engine 1 fire. ECAM actions. Engine 1 fire. Thrust levers at idle. Cabin crew alerted. Engine master 1 off. Engine master 1 off. Master caution. ATC has been notified. Cabin crew alerted. Engine 1 fire push button. Push. Engine 1 fire push button. Push. Agent 1 discharge. Engine 1. Agent 1 discharge. Agent 2 discharge. Emergency evacuation procedure apply. Firelight is still on. Let's go for the emergency evacuation checklist. Emergency evacuation checklist. Aircraft parking brake is set on. ATC notify. Mayday, mayday, mayday. VATSky 01, we have an unextinguishable engine fire. We are evacuating on the runway. Request the fire services. Cabin crew is alerted. All engine masters off. All fire push buttons, APU and engine 2, extinguish. All agents as required. We don't need to evacuate, we don't need to extinguish those agents. And if evacuation is required, is the evacuation still required? We still have the fire, I believe so. Evac command. This is an emergency. Evacuate, evacuate. Okay, have we got all our belongings? Grab the tech log and let's go.